Do you wish to ensure that your employees feel right at home when at work? This immersive video on employee resource groups will assist you in letting the diversity at your workplace shine. This PPT slide showcases the effectiveness and importance of creating and introducing ERGs to your workplace dynamics. Promote diversity and inclusion in your workplace with this PPT set. Moreover, get up to 15% off with a click on the link below. Use this PowerPoint slide to encourage ERGs, a voluntary effort to make people from all backgrounds feel heard in the organization. You can demonstrate to employees that there will be no discrimination against them based on their race, sexuality, and gender. Even if an employee could belong to any minority group, and they will know their employer knows how to value all. Visit www.SlideTeam.net to access this PPT and create the perfect environment to boost D&I.